Hello students, now this is a time to do maths work. In previous video we have completed chapter 3. Now I am going to start chapter 6 because in unit 1 syllabus chapter 4 and 5 is not there, that's why I am not taking right now chapter 4 and 5. I will teach you those chapters later. First of all I am going to start chapter 6. Now in chapter 6 we will learn multiples and factors. What are the multiples and what are the factors? So before going this topic I am going to tell you some points about that numbers, so you have to understand carefully. So as we all know numbers, what are the numbers? Just like 0, 1, 2, 3, these all are the numbers. These numbers divided in two parts, even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers are those numbers those are divisible by 2, means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the multiple even number. Now odd numbers are those numbers which are the not divisible by 2. It means which are not the multiples of 2, means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are not the multiples of 2. That's why these numbers are called odd numbers. Now what are the multiples? Multiples are those numbers, those we can say that just like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8 I have written here. So which is divisible by its factor is called the multiple of each its factors. For example, just like 2 ones are 2. So 2 is the multiple of 1 and 2. 4. So 4 is a multiple of 2. Then 6. 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. 8. 8 is the multiple of 2 and 4. Suppose I am going to tell you about by the example. I want to tell that write 3 multiples of 5. So what will you write? The table of 5 up to 3. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Now I am telling you, I have given this 5, 10, 15 and I am telling you write next 3 multiples of 5. So next 3 multiples will be 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, then 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. So these are the 3 next multiples of 5. Now I am telling you write down the 8th multiple of 6. It means we have to do the multiplied 6 to 8. So 6 8s are 48. So 48 is the 8th multiple of 6. Just suppose I am telling you 5 into 4. So 5 into 4 will be 20. So 20 is the multiple of 5 and 4. So 20 is the multiple of 5 and 4. It means multiple is the dividend which is divisible by its factors. I will tell you what are the factors. So which is divisible by its factor is called the multiple, means those numbers are we are using for doing the multiply, because we all know if we are finding out the multiple of any number, it is coming, the answer is coming by multiplying 2 numbers or 3 numbers or 4 numbers. So those 2 numbers, 3 numbers are the factors, and which one answer we are getting, that is called the multiple of those numbers. Because here I have written 5 and 4. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So 20 we can say that 20 is the multiple of 5 and 4. Here I have written 48. So because I have done 6 8s are 48. So we can say that 48 is the multiple of 6 and 8. Now I am writing here 20. So 20 is the multiple of 2 and 10. Suppose 200s are 200. So 200 is the multiple of 2 and 100, both numbers. I hope you understood this multiples. Now some facts about the multiples I am going to tell. First one fact is 6 into 3 is equal to 18. It means 18 is the multiple of 3 also, and 18 is the multiple of 6 also. So 18 is the multiple of, is the third multiple of 6, and 18 is the sixth multiple of 3, because when we are doing multiply of 3, so 6 time multiplying 3 we are getting 18. When we are multiplying by 6, so 3 times by the multiplying 6 we are getting 8. So we can say that 18 is the third multiple of 6, and 18 is the sixth multiple of 3. Now next, 4 into 3 into 6. 4 3s are 12, 12 6 are 72. So 72 is the multiple of 4, 3 and 6. Means it depends on the numbers, whatever numbers we are using for doing the multiplication. Answer we are getting 72. So 72 is the multiple of those numbers. By those numbers we got this answer. So because by multiplying 4, 3 and 6 I got 72. So that's why 72 is the multiple of 4, 3 and 6, all these numbers. Now next is 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 16 ones are 16, 25 ones are 25. It means you are seeing that every number is the multiple of itself, because it is coming in their own table. 4 is coming in the 4 table, 16 is coming in 16's table, so 25 is coming in the 25 table. So any number you can say that every number is multiple of itself. Now suppose in your book they have given example 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So 24 is a multiple of 4. 24 is the multiple of 4 and 6 both. Now come on the topic next, that is factors. Now what are the factors? As we all know, if a number divides another number completely without leaving any remainder, then the divisor is called factor of that dividend. It means pair of numbers which give product. Suppose I am taking the example 12. So by the which number pair we are getting 12, so those numbers are called the factor of 12. Means pair of numbers which give product 12. Means if we will see that 1 12s are 12. So 1 and 12 are the factors of 12. 2 6 are 12. So 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 is the factor of 12. 4 3s are 12. So 4 and 3 both are the factors of 12. Now 5, in the table of 5 it is 12 is not coming. Then 6 2s are 12. So 6 and 2 both are the factors of 12. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 12 is not coming. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 12 is not coming. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 12 is not coming. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So 12 is not coming. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. 12 is not coming. Now 12 ones are 12. So it means 1 2 3 4 6 12. These all are the factors of 12. How we can find? If suppose we are dividing another number by completely without leaving the remainder, if remainder is coming 0, it means this number is the factor of that number, that multiple. So I have divided 12 by 1. So 1 ones are 1, then 1 twos are 2, remainder 0. It means 1 is the factor of 12. Then 2 6 are 12. So 2 is the factor of 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 is the factor of 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 is the factor of 12, because everywhere remainder is coming 0. 6 2s are 12. 12 ones are 12. So everywhere remainder is coming 0. It means these numbers 1 2 3 4 6 12, these numbers are the factors of 12. So we can say that when we are getting the pair of numbers which are the product of that particular multiple, that is called a factor. That is called a factor. So a factor is a number which exactly divides the given number. Whatever number we are taking, so exactly if it is divisible, means remainder is coming 0, so that is called the factor of that number. some points to remember about the factors. What are these? First point is factor is a number which exactly divides the given number. Means suppose we have taken 12, so we were dividing by 2. So 2 is exactly divisible by 12 is exactly divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. Remainder came 0. That's why it is a factor of 12. Now 1 is a factor of every number, because in the table of 1 every number is coming. Suppose like that only 1 12s are 12. So 1 is a factor of every number. Now next one is every number is a factor of itself. See, 12 ones are 12. Means every number is coming in their own table. So it means it is a factor of itself only. Every number is a factor of itself. Now last point is the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Means whatever factor we are finding, the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. I hope by this explanation you have understood about the multiples and factors. Now you will not confuse about the factors or multiples. In next video I will tell you the divisibility. So by this video you can do the practice by yourself, multiples or factors, because in your book there is no exercise regarding these multiples and factors. Simply they have started from divisibility. So by the next video I will tell you what are the divisibility factors. Thank you. Have a nice day.